presenting the 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, adjustable steering wheel, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, multi-zone AC, passenger airbag sensor and power outlet. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.